Our main goal, overall vision, is to provide the opportunity for them to become their best self. We are on the national stage right now. People know who Lake Highland Prep is.
Wrestling is the toughest sport in the world, and I like the sport because it definitely changes lives, and it makes people better people. And if we're all in the business of helping young human beings have a foundation for life, I would tell you that this is the best way to do it.
All the lessons that I've learned, I think every day when you wake up and you're going to practice, you're going to lift, there's some little lesson to be taken away.
They're leaders because they've worked their way through, and they understand when they hit the ground, they know how to bounce back and recover from those, and I think they do it a little bit quicker than most because of the experience they've had.
I think about him running a team that's top 10 in the country that's playing on ESPN, and they're sharing the gym with our JV team. It's less than ideal.
This facility is critical just to match the current standards of excellence within our programs and our exceptional coaches.
Wrestling needs a great home. It's exciting to me that wrestling can have a world-class facility and a home.
One thing that we try to embrace as a school community is, raising good citizens, and that for our son starts here.
Just having an area on campus that's truly dedicated to wrestling, I think that'll just improve like the sense of community that there is from the wrestling team to the general campus, and I think it kind of just feeds off each other.
We ask a lot of our kids, and I think proving to them like this is really important to us too, that your success at the next level really matters to us as a school and to this community. We've got the best coaches and the best staff, but we're also matching this with the best resources, the best facilities.
It's crucial. This is the time for our tremendous, exceptional coaching staff, for our student athletes who are working year-round, who are putting together championship teams. It's time.